Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. So Doge has started a pullback. We have not yet reached the important 1.38 Fibonacci extension, which I normally want to see reached in a third wave. That was at 13.6 cents, which means I don't fully trust that this is already the top of a third wave. Still though, it would be ideal to still get there, okay? The invalidation point is the low of the wave 2 at 8.9 cents. But I mean, maybe this is already the top of the third wave in our possible 5-wave move to the upside. I don't trust it, however, because the third wave didn't get to the 1.38 extension. So it is maybe the bare minimum, but it hasn't reached my first ideal target, so I cannot trust it at all. I have, however, added the next support area to the chart. It means that below 10.3 cents, the support area is defined between 10.3 cents and 12 cents. Below the 10.3 cent level, there's an increased risk that we've topped in a B wave and that we are going to form another low. Then, however, it would be very, very questionable, this entire downside structure. I mean, really from a bullish point of view, it would be really good if this low formed in August, on the 5th of August, and we're now moving up. But the structure is just choppy and corrective. So it is not a high confidence structure, and I can tell you that below 10.3 cents, things are starting to look better for the bears. But this is the support area. I can only say it's a shame that it didn't reach the 13.6 cent level. That is just a first warning and indicating that there is a lot of weakness. Now, it could be that somehow the third wave is still extending, but this is the support area where if the white count is unfolding, and if really a wave 2 bottomed on the 6th of September, yeah, then we should see a reaction to either 12 cents or 11.3, 10.8 or 10.3 cents. Yeah? I mean, if we break below 10.3, there is still a chance that we say, okay, maybe wave 3 never finished, but it's an ABC structure in wave A of 3. We go down a little bit lower in wave B of 3 and then up. So that means the first level to watch below 10.3 cents is going to be that 8.9 cent level. So the 6th of September low, but below that level, there is no wiggle room, you know, then we have invalidation. And then this move down would not be a B wave in wave 3 either. So that means at the moment, we're dealing with a pullback. We have to watch this week for a possible reaction to one of these levels. And the structure possibly even looks a little bit like a micro 5-wave move down, but it's too early to tell. Doing micro counting here on the Doge chart in a correction doesn't make any sense. But if we say that it's a wave 4 that's unfolding, then I'd say there's a chance that this here is the A wave, and we do a B wave and a C wave. But this is my best guess. I mean, this is typically how I map out these corrections in the beginning. We never really know how a correction is unfolding, but the highest probability pathway or pattern is typically an ABC. So once there is an A wave low in place, and it might form around 11.3 cents, which is the next support, then we can add the resistance area for white wave B. And as long as price stays below resistance, we can watch for at least one more low in wave C of 4. It depends a little bit on how it develops. I would normally like to see really a nice and clear 3-wave move in these corrections. Sometimes they're not that nice, not that clear, but you can see that the wave B pullback here or sideways consolidation also formed a nice 3-wave move. So I'd like to ideally see something like that in wave 4 as well. That would be clear. Okay, that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.